welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In this week's video, we're unboxing a Morovan Polygel kit I got from Amazon, which I will of course leave the link down below. We got alcohol wipes, which I love when kits include these. Super helpful, and they included a lot, as you can see. Forms 12 different sizes. We got strapping tape in the color purple. We of course got some beautiful rhinestones, some tweezers, tape in the chrome color. We also got a nail brush. We got tape in gold and red. Polygel in the color pink. We also got the color white. And lastly, we also got the color nude. We got a nail file. And of course, the user's manual. Before I get started, I wanted to thank you. We hit 100 subscribers this past week, and what a great way to start 2021. Thank you all for all the love and support I get from all you guys, to the thumbs up and the likes on every single one of my videos. This whole virus happening around the world, you guys make me so happy, and you all motivate me to keep creating more videos for you guys. So thank you 1,000,000 times from the bottom of my heart. Let's go ahead and start this cute nail set. The top coat, base coat, and slip solution were included in this kit, but I did have some from previous kits. So before we get started, we're going to file down our natural nails and then apply our base coat, and then cure for 120 seconds or until dry. The nails look like after, of course, curing them. Now to apply the polygel, which I am going to be using the pink color. I got my nail brush freshly cracked and ready to apply the polygel. I got my damp dish and of course my slip solution. Got my nail dual forms pre-measured, and now it's ready to apply the polygel. I like to apply a small portion of the slip solution before actually applying the polygel in the dual forms. And let me tell you, this polygel was the smoothest I've applied a polygel before. I don't know what it was, but it was just a perfect mixture. I don't know how to explain it, but it was just so smooth, for me to form the nail. But I highly recommend it. The link is down below, so if you guys are interested, it's only $10.99 plus tax, of course, on Amazon. Now we place on natural nail and cure it for 120 seconds or until dry. Does anybody else find it satisfying to take off the dual form from the polygel nail? Maybe it's just me, but I do file down the edges just because I am unsure of the shape I actually want my nails to be. Let's go ahead and continue with the rest of our nails. nails turned out to be. I am going to file them down. I was debating whether a coffin shape or ballerina, but I went kind of in between. Alrighty, done with the shape. Now to add a little bling bling to my nails, I am going to be using the red rhinestones on my ring finger. I am also going to be using the tweezers that the kit came with, even though I was having a little bit of trouble applying them to my nails. But I will be using a nail alcohol wipe to make sure that I get rid of all the stickiness of the polygel before I apply anything to them. After I clean my nails, of course I'm going to be using my top coat and cure that for 120 seconds or until dry. For the rhinestones, I am going to be using 4 in the shape of a diamond. Have fun watching me struggle with these rhinestones and the tweezer. I felt like the nails were missing something, so I am going to be using strapping tape, this is my first time using it. I was struggling a little bit as well, and excuse my crusty scissors, but it actually worked out. So then I applied it, I measured it of course, and then I actually put a top coat on it, on the nail, and then I cured it for 120 seconds, and that's how I made it to stick even more. So officially, this is how the nails turned out, and let me tell you, I always say this about my sets, but this is my favorite by far. They're so cute, even for like Valentine's Day that it's coming up, But I really love this set of nails. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys had a happy new year and nothing but the best for everybody. And like I said, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. See y'all later.